Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to add a new page on your Wix website in 2025. If you're building your site and want to add an about page, a service page, or any section, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, go to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're inside your Wix dashboard, click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. On the left side, click the menus and pages. It looks like stack layers. Now click plus add page at the bottom of the list. You can now customize it, add text, images, or sections just like your other pages. When you're finished, click publish in the top right to save your changes. And that's it. That's how you add a new page on your Wix website in 2025. It only takes a minute and keeps your site organized and professional. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides. See you in the next one.